Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why what happened?
No. Before that, so yesterday we 10 minutes we are not at recording the session, right? So what we are doing, which folder we are creating. So could you please tell me, explain
No,
in
it
this
is recorded,
recording?
no? It is recorded,
Uh,
no, yesterday.
we off of we are recorded, right? So we are creating a folder and all those things. We are not at recording. So middle of we are recording the session.
Okay. Which folder you are talking? See,
So
in the
yesterday,
core,
yeah.
you are having a model where you are having a base density model. In the service, you are creating a high brand service. In the application layer, you are having a service implementation. That's all. As simple as that, in your eStore admin, we are creating the same thing. Here, you don't have a what to say. It doesn't have a implementation of view. Okay, rest all as it is similar. No change at all, Prasanna. Okay,
Okay. So which reference we are adding? Please show me that.
come again.
Reference. So we are added to two reference, I guess, right?
Core.application, catalog.core, catalog.infrastructure. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So in the catalog application, you are adding only same core infrastructure and model. Okay. And here you are having no dependencies. Only in the infrastructure you are having a dependency of project saying that core and model. That's all. You are not going to do anything. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay.
Prasanna.
Yes. Done.
Okay. Fine. Now come back. It's a great question only. I'm not denying it. Okay. Good question. Fine. I think today is full house. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Okay. Today,
No, no, one thing. Actually, three services are created, right? Now, three APIs are created already now.
two.
No, you have created three APIs, right? Like, right? Just can you open Solution Explorer?
Only two.
No, here. Solution Explorer, can you open it?
Okay.
This in service only catalog is the API, right?
Catalog.api is the API. Remaining are class library projects.
Okay. Yeah,
At a similar,
here only the two list brand and get brand by ID. The only the two methods you are exposing to the front end, right?
yes. Yes.
I am going to access this list brand and get brand ID by ID. I can use it in Angular or React application
Yes, you can use it.
for implementing.
Yes. Can I move forward?
Yeah.
Okay. So before I create a brand, what I want to do is I go to the solution in the catalog, in the core, under the model, I'm going to create new item saying that create brand model. What model? Create brand model. Okay. I created a class called create brand model. Remove sort using. I'm going to use public. Here I say public string brand name. This is the brand name I'm going to create from the DB. Okay, and then string dot empty. Now, when I call a API, okay, listen carefully. When I call the API, you should go to the API service. What is that API service? In the API, in the controller, under the brand controller, you come here, you simply say public async task I action result of create brand. Okay, in this create brand, what is your request model? Create
Brand
brand model. Okay, so this is the brand model you are going to create. Okay, say yes or no.
yeah,
Return okay of nothing. So this is
do
the
we do we need
brand.
a
Yeah, tell me.
do we need a HTTP like we need a attribute
I'll
those
come,
those
I'll come,
attributes
I'll come, I'll come that, I'll come that. So here you need to use HTTP post because you are posting a method.
for
You are
submitting it.
posting a record. And then you say route, simply say create brand. Okay. So this is how you have to do it. Now, when you build a project, when you run a project, a create brand will be created. Roshan, Mr. Roshan,
Hello. Yes.
yesterday you joined, right?
Yesterday, no.
Huh?
Before that, before one day, I joined.
Okay. So are you
Yes.
going to continue this one?
Yes.
Okay.
So only one thing I want to know. So can I get the recorded video? Can
Okay. After the
I?
session,
Okay.
call
Okay.
me. We will have a
Okay.
discussion and then we can move forward. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So you see, guys, API brand create brand. Okay. Now, when you come here, when you try out, is you see here the brand is expecting a value or not. Now I am saying Motorola. Motorola brand, I want to store it in the DB. Listen carefully, Motorola brand, I want to store it in the DB. Now, when you click execute, it is hitting. Now you see the brand model object is creating a Motorola or not? Say yes or no. Say yes or no.
Yes,
I'm getting a brand model object of Motorola.
yes.
So that's all it is. You have to return OK. Now you
We
see
need to
we
return.
got a response. Okay. Create band with the responses. This is how we have to create it. Okay.
Yeah, DB query we are not returned it, right? You are not where you are submitting into the DB.
We will do that.
Okay. Yeah.
And then I will go for a DB query. Don't worry about it. Now, what you will do here, first you will check the validation. If, listen carefully, if create brand model equal to null, what will happen? Will you throw an exception or not?
Yes.
Say some. You say throw new exception class saying that create brand model is null or empty. Right? Say yes or no. And then what you need to do? You need to come here. If create brand model dot brand name equal to string dot empty. So what you will do, if the brand name is empty, what you need to do? Again, you need to throw an exception saying that brand name is null or empty. Once both are successful, what you will do, you go to the iBrand service here, say task create brand of task create brand of what, ma? Create brand model is this. So this is the object you are going to build. So where you will build this service? In the brand service. Go here, right click, quick action. Quick action, implement interface. Now see, I got a created brand. And then if the created brand is available, before I have to use this brand model, what I need to do? I need to map the data, whatever I receiving this object to the brand model object or not. Say yes or no. Do I need to map the data from create brand model to brand model object? Yes or no? Please confirm me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
what you will do here? Here you simply say async. Okay, now here brand model, okay, brand model equal to new of brand model. You need to do a mapping. How are you going to do a mapping? First, you need to say brand ID equal to GUID dot new GUID, comma, name equal to whatever the name you are receiving from, you are going to pick. Is it correct? Is this correct? Say yes or no. GUI dot new ID, am I correct or wrong?
Yes.
I want everybody answer, please.
Yes,
Unmute
sir.
yourself. Please confirm me. So now what I want to do, this dot brand repository dot add of brand repository dot why add is coming, brands dot add of what is your model? Brand model. Okay. After adding the brand model, what do you need to do? This dot brand repository dot save change async, since you are using a task. Okay. And then you should say return task dot completed task, because anything, everything you want to pass as a say return. Okay, return dot task dot completed task. You pass this. Now here you say you don't need to do anything. It automatically get returned. Now here you say it is throwing a null. So what you need to do? Await, because it is going to update the database, right? So for that you have to use brand repository dot save change async. Now save all. So it should be return dot task complete.
Then remove this return. remove this return.
No, it will not work.
It should work.
No, it will not work. Async method that returns a
Complete line, you can remove that complete line, right?
Yeah, fine. So now go to the brand controller. You need to call that method. How are you going to call that method? Await this dot underscore brand service dot create brand, where you are going to pass what? Create brand model. That's all. And then you are going to pass here. That's all. You are going to pass this. Once it has been succeeded, can I get a, instead of action result alone? Okay, leave it. Let's run.
Yes, Sangam. Sangam.
Now you
In
say,
this Swagger page, these are the 4 methods we are exposing, right? It is showing it. In this
yes,
API, these are the 4 methods we are exposing to the client.
yes.
Okay.
Now you see F10. Now the Swagger is successful. No issues at all. Now you go back in the list. Try to see Motorola is inserted. See Motorola inserted or not? Earlier we have a 3 brands. Now we have 4 brands. Is it
4
correct?
Yes.
Everybody? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Now the next topic we are going to do a update. Can anyone tell me how to do an update?
Form and post method.
Just go here, create a update model. Right? You need to have an update model or not?
Yes.
We can add it inside that our old model itself, right?
No, that is not a right practice. Also, you have to do update. Every method will have an independent model to get a collection. Okay.
Okay.
Update brand model. Okay. Now, in the update brand model, remove namespace. Do we need a GUID? Do I need a GUID for this update brand model? Say yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Do I need a GUID, right? So can I create a GUID within the class, or can I use a base entity? Which one is the right option?
Base entity.
I have to use base entity because I don't want to rewrite the things, right? So my intention is I'm going to use base ID. So here I'm going to inherit base entity
Great.
class. I'm going to inherit base entity class. Okay, when I use a base entity class, this class will automatically have a what? GUID. Trying to rejoin again. What happened? Ashok is there? Ashok, are you there?
Yeah, tell me.
You send a message trying to rejoin.
Yes. I am already joined. I messaged you probably 30 minutes before.
Okay, okay. Sorry.
The base entity model you only created, right?
Yeah, I created the base entity model. Okay, now what happened? I'm going to use this model into my Where is that guy? Controller. Here, I'm going to say public outline collapse to definition. Public async
Here are all the methods are
task.
public only, right? These methods are exposing to the client.
Always you have to update.
But we need to mention it every time or there
Yes.
is okay.
Update brand model, update brand model of. So what you are going to do? Return okay.
You can't mention internal or protected or private, right? For this
No,
one.
nothing.
Build error only will get it to be mentioned.
Yes. So here you simply say out update brand.
One more doubt. Update brand you are mentioned, right? If if I mentioned it as a small letter, it will be affecting or it will
No,
check.
always you should have the same name with your
Okay.
route name.
Okay.
Okay, and then you should have HTTP.
Post.
Put is nothing but you are going to update. Now build the project. So I am going to give you an assignment delete. I will complete put today. I'll give an assignment delete. Tomorrow I'm going for a task. Okay. Everybody.
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Now you go here. You say Swagger. You see, I got a get methods, I got a post method, I got a put method. I got a put method or not? Now this put method is expecting ID and brand name. The ID which is coming deriving from the base entity or not? Say yes or no. You see here, this ID is coming from the base entity model. See, it is giving the proper ID brand name of what type it is expecting. Okay. Now go back, try out, say Narendra, something like that. Okay. And then click execute. See, it got the hit. Now look into the brand model. You got Narendra with the ID. Continue. Clear? So this is how you have to build a update model. Now come back here. In the update model, you are going to check these two conditions. Copy these two conditions. Okay. And then anything is empty. Not only the brand model. You say update brand model. Here. Copy this. Brand name. Okay. So here you say update brand model is null or empty. Okay. Once you've done that, what you have to do? You go to your iBrand service. You say here task update brand of update brand model. This is the task you need to implement in brand service. When you are doing an implementation of brand service, quick action. implement interface. Now here you see update brand services is there or not. Now here you have to do simply update brand model of brand model. You have to map ID equal to update model dot ID comma name equal to update brand model dot brand name, and then this dot brand repository dot brands dot update of brand model, and then await this dot brand repository dot save changes async, that it will automatically return you the update. Okay, now go back to the controller here. You say await this dot underscore brand service dot update brand, where it is expecting the update brand model, and to pass it. Now I build a project. Shit. Clean solution. Build a solution. Now try to run it. Now before I have to make an update, you need to ensure your GUID or not. Abdul, Ashok, you need to ensure your GUID which you are going to update, right? Yes or no? So what I want to do, I go here, first get the list of GUIDs. I'll get a GUID first. Now you see, I'm taking this Motorola GUID. Okay, copy. We are going to change into some other name. Go here, try out, just use this GUID. Okay, and you say string. What name we can give? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what is the name we can give? Hello?
Laptop.
Apple
Laptop brand, something like that. Okay?
Yeah.
Come down, execute. Now what happened? This guy is updated with the same GUID with the laptop brand F10, F11, F10, save changes. Because of the task problem here, just run. Now you see, it got updated, successfully updated as a response. Now go back, execute once again. You see, it has got changed into laptop brand. Yes or no? Update is happened or not?
Yes.
Update is happened or not? Prasanna?
Yeah.
Yes, it's happened.
Okay. So now this is how you have to make a basic sample APIs. Do you have any questions on these APIs?
Yeah. These things, when I understood completely. but only when we are opening the Swagger, right? For example, if we do the authorization, for example, update, I don't want to give to all the user. For example, to
Wait,
this
wait,
website.
wait, 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 wait. That and all come to the later point of time. Just wait.
Okay.
I'm doing a microservices. When you go for an API gateway building, I will do that.
Okay.
Okay. Right now, first I'm building the individual services.
Okay.
Listen, understand where
Yeah.
you will implement your authentication authorization in the service level or a gateway level.
Gateway.
Are we building a service or gateway?
Now we are building the service now.
Let's finish the services, and then when we implementing a gateway, definitely we will going to fix all these things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I got interview questions, so that is the reason I asked.
I totally understand, but I told you, right? We need to go step by step.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anybody have any questions? So how many
So,
of you can update me tomorrow delete functionality? Delete brand, once any one of you implemented, I will implement here. Tomorrow we can go with the task with the CQRS pattern. Okay. Ashok, Abdul, Mahesh, Nikhil, Nitin, Prasanna, Roshan, Swapnil, Varsha, Vivek. Do you all understand? Am I audible?
yes.
Okay, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. You go and complete the delete functionality. This video will be come by tomorrow morning. You can go through it. Okay. Thank you
So
all.
have you
Are you uploaded?
No, team is uploaded. They need to give an access. I will give you access by tonight or tomorrow. I was not available today. I went to different meetings and all those things. So today I came at 9 p.m. So tomorrow morning I will be entire day I will be in home only. Okay, so I will give all the access by tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you all. Have a great day. Hey Roshan, if you want, you can connect me now.
Okay.
You know the number?
Yes.
111. You can
Yes.
connect through 111. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.